guys, it's me Maslin. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So yeah, this is all you need. You need some liquid starch or whatever you know that forms slime, some glue, some shaving cream. I'm using Barbasol. Something to mix in and something to mix with, and food coloring, which is optional. So yeah. First step is take your glue and open it up. Pour as much in as you want. I'm just pouring in a little bit. And then you want to add how much glue you put in. Put in half of the shaving cream as the glue. So it looks like this, a little mounted thing. Then put in your food coloring, which is optional, but just do it at this time, because it looks really cool. So yeah, let's just mix this up. So yeah. And my camera is really being bad, so this is actually it. And yeah, so just saying, you guys are thinking like, well, you have a really big thing of glue. I know, I love slime, so I have a big thing of glue. So we're just gonna mix this thing up. I just was on my tiptoes. Why was I? Mix it all to blend in. And a lot of people were recommending this for me, but yeah. The spoon fell in. Oh, you can tell. Sorry for that. I'm gonna clean off the spoon. Might need that later on. Okay. Now, if you want, you can put your glue, shaving cream away. Now you need your activator, which I'm in this case using liquid starch. So there's no exact measurements, because some people make different versions and different sizes. So I just did a little bit. I just did 1 tablespoon. And it should start to form. And when you see everything on the bottom is incorporated in one little ball, and it's really sticking to your mixing tool, and then that means you're ready. But if it looks a little mushy like that, you're not ready, because it's still a little watery. And yeah, there's some more glue in here. So yeah, keep mixing when you put a little bit in. Mix really fast and it'll maybe do it, but sometimes it won't. Then put a little bit more if you need it. So it looks good, but when I'm touching it, it looks like that. So I need a lot more. When it comes really hard to mix, that means you just have to knead it. And if you don't know what kneading means, kneading is when I just touched it and it's good, I think. Kneading means to take your slime and fold, take it, stretch it, then you fold it. Stretch it, fold, and keep doing this until it's not sticking to your hand. It says how it looks like right now. And yeah, it did sound like this. Or something close to that. And then you need to put it in a container. And yeah, that's how you make slime. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and like it. And yeah, bye.